Find angle X below. Now we are looking for this angle X here, and we have to go through some circle theorems in order to get the value of this X. So if you look at this quadrilateral PQRS, you are going to see that these two angles are opposite angles of the quadrilateral. And so don't forget that this is a cyclic quadrilateral. It's quadrilateral where all the edges are on the circumference of a circle, all the angles are on the circumference of a circle, is called a cyclic quadrilateral. So the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. That is the theorem you have to take note of. So these two angles are opposite, just like these two angles. Now these other two angles, this full angle here and this full angle here, they are also opposite angles. So the theorem for a cyclic quadrilateral states that the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Supplementary means that they add up to give 180 degrees. So if this is 110, then this angle will be obtained by saying 180 minus 110. And that will give us 70 degrees. So that means that this angle is 70 degrees. So that the two of them, when you add them together, give you 180 supplementary angles. Then now, from this point, getting the value of X is very simple. But I'm going to show you that short method at the end of this video. So watch to the very end. But let me take you through the longer normal process before I give you this trick that you need to apply. Now, if you look at this angle here, this angle is at the circumference. With respect to P and R, we have these two lines going to the circumference at Q to form the whole of this angle 110. In the same way, from the same P and R, we have these two lines coming to the center of the circle. Together, they form this angle here, which is on this side. Don't forget, the angle must be on the other side, not exactly the two opposite angles facing each other, but on the other side. So once you have a situation like this, then you agree with me that angle at the center is twice that at the circumference. Don't forget that important circle theorem. That angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. So if this is 110, then this angle on this side will be 110 times 2. And that will give us 220. So that means this angle here is 220 degrees. Then now let's look at this quadrilateral PSRO. PSRO. If you look at it, there are 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, and then 4, making it a quadrilateral. A 4-sided figure is a quadrilateral. So the sum of angles in a quadrilateral add up to 360. So that means I can say 220, which is this angle here, plus 50 plus 70 plus 50 plus 70 plus the last angle, which is X, inside the quadrilateral, is equal to 360. Because sum of angle in a quadrilateral, that is a 4-sided figure, is equal to 360 degrees. So 220 plus 50 will give us 270. 270 plus 70 will give us 340. So 340 plus X is equal to 360. From there, X will be equal to 360 here. When this plus 340 comes to this side, it becomes minus 340. From there, we can say X is equal to 20 degrees. But that's not all. Like I said, I wanted to show you a short method that you should have applied instead of following all these long processes. So the shorter method is immediately you got this 70 degrees. The shorter method is to look at these 3 angles. This angle 50 plus this small angle here, X, is equal to this angle at this point, which is 70 degrees. Don't forget that. So that will give us X is equal to 70 minus 50. 70 minus 50. and that will be equal to x is equal to 20 degrees as obtained before. So the trick here is that anytime you see an angle here and you see another angle on the other edge too, the two of them add up to give you whatever angle you have at the circumference here. Don't forget that small circle geometry trick. Always apply it when you see it in questions like this. So 50 plus this angle is supposed to give you 70, and from there you can just get the angle direct instead of following this longer method. Hope you got it fully. Please don't forget to like, share, and join for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.